Hi, to mute your Google Pixel Watch 3, as a first step, swipe down from your current watch face to trigger Quick Settings, and here tap this Settings icon. Now we need to scroll a bit down to find the Sound section, pick it, and after that we can see this option to mute, ring, and notifications. So to mute everything, just tap on the switcher and it will light up yellow. And now you can see that Ring Volume tab is empty, as well as Notifications volume. And additionally, you can scroll a bit down and choose to mute Alarm, also by tapping on the switcher. And here you can decrease Media Volume by tapping minus. And the same goes for Call Volume. And additionally, you can disable Screen Unlocking Sound and Charging Sound, like that. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.